Hello, everyone, and welcome to our video. Today, we're going to introduce the fourth program of the Elecrow Crowtail STEAM Edu Kit for Microbit kit to make an electronic dice game. You can play this fun little game with your friends. First of all, let's take a look at the running effect of this electronic dice. When we shake the Microbit master, the LED dot matrix randomly displays a point number, realizing the effect of rolling dice. Isn't it very interesting? So, how do we realize a dice through Microbit? Let's explain it step by step. As we saw earlier, the dice points appear randomly. Here we need to understand what is a random number. A random number is a number within a range that is unpredictable and is generated differently each time it is run. Having understood the concept of random numbers, let's start writing the program that open the MakeCode programming interface. First, we need to add a non-shakes block to the code that will trigger the dice program to run when you shake the Microbit. Then, drag and drop the variables block to create a variable and set the initial value of in the shake event. Next, use pickRandom in the math block to generate a random number and store the random number in. This random number ranges from 1 to 6, representing the 6 sides of the die. Note that this module obtains the range of values that. Next, use the if statement in the logics block to determine if the value of is 1. If it is 1, display the LED pattern representing the number 1. Then, click the plus button to add the else section and continue with the corresponding LED patterns for the other numbers 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The corresponding LED pattern is displayed under each corresponding number. Well, the program for the electronic dice has been written, and the main thing here is to generate a random number that represents the random points of the dice, and then display the corresponding number through the LED dot matrix. Next, use the USB cable to connect the Microbit to your computer and download the program to the Microbit's motherboard. Now you can shake the Microbit to see the random number and display the corresponding dice face. Having successfully implemented the dice game, you can play the dice game with your friends. We can also extend this dice game, for example, by replacing the numbers with the 26 letters of the alphabet. When shaking the Microbit, a letter is randomly generated. Try it. That's it for today's lesson. Did you learn how to make Microbit electronic dice? If you like our lesson, please follow our account and we'll see you in the next lesson. Thanks.